What's up, guys, and welcome back to Shop Talk. I bet you're wondering, what in the world are they up to now, sitting around with all these cranes in the background? Well, let me just tell you, this isn't some ordinary detail. This is an industrial coating that we are just one of a handful of installers that are certified and trained to install. Now, this is a brand new product from IGL Coating called Aegis, and I'm gonna show you just what it's about. Now, before we can get to spraying this, it's a three-part system. So we gotta mix it up just right. So we'll dilute the product down, get it ready to spray, and then we're gonna go to work spraying it. Now, before we get to mixing, we wanna focus on safety. This stuff is a chemical and we don't want it in our skin, so we'll put on gloves to protect. All right, so Aegis is a three-part system. So we have to use a mixing cup to make sure that we got the exact ratio that we're looking for of hardener and diluent and the product itself. So it's crucial that we get the right mixture so that way it sets up and the product's consistent. So this is actually a clear coat. This is not a ceramic coating that's gonna help protect against corrosion and the elements in an industrial setting. So this is a lot thicker product, a lot harder product that we're gonna spray, but consistency in our mixture is key. Third part is the diluent, so this is the reducer. All right, we got it all mixed up. Now it's time to get it in the gun and put it to work. So we've been working to prep the surface. We're cleaning it up real good. We got Tabitha here cleaning it, scuffing it up, and then using a prep wipe to wipe it off. So get the paint perfectly clean so that way when we lay this product on, it bonds to the paint really good. Now before we start spraying this product, let's talk about what it's for. So obviously these big cranes have a single stage paint that just oxidizes and fades over time, and that can also corrode. And so when we spray this product on, not only is it gonna protect against corrosion and the harsh elements, but it's gonna look good. So we're gonna add that sheen to it and make this used equipment look almost new. All right, we finally got this thing finished up, and it took us 2 whole days to spray the entire crane. I'm talking about from the boom all the way to the bottom. And our buddies over at Mosley Building Systems couldn't be happier. This thing turned out excellent, and not to mention it's protected for years to come. So we ended up spraying the boom, the cab, all around the wheels and all. We got this thing protected from all the elements. But we're not limited to just cranes. We can service any kind of heavy equipment or any kind of equipment that's exposed out here to the elements. Things like bulldozers and tractors, anything you can think of, we can put this on. And the best part about it is the prep work is minimal. So we don't have to do all this sanding and polishing where we do in the boats and cars. So we can just come out here, give it a good detail, a good cleaning, and spray this right on. You get the shine, the new look, and you get the protection for years to come. So just remember, if you happen to have a tank in the garage, or a train, or a crane, head on over to easyanddetailed.com and click Get My Estimate. That's going to do it for this episode of Shop Talk, and I'll see you next week. And our buddies over at Mitch Mosley Building. Okay, all right, let me do it. It builds up to a, okay, let me do it one more time. Or you got a train, or all right. So we're servicing things like have mercy. What the am I thinking? I don't know what else to say.